tells a tale the whole city knows. Rhythms in the shadows where the cold wind blows. Life's a gamble on these streets, anything goes. Boom bap echoes through the alleys at night. Soulful samples lift the darkness to light. Beat kicks pound like a heartbeat fight. These gritty vibes keep my story in sight. Graffiti on the walls paint the struggle and climb. The clock keeps spinning but I'm owning my time. Words like puzzle pieces fitting tight in the rhyme. Snares punch louder than the city's own chime. Boom bap echoes through the alleys at night. Soulful samples lift the darkness. Hit that bass line nice and slow. Talk back singing, let the rhythm flow. Rolling slow past the shore, sun's on the scene. Palm trees swaying, we keep the chrome clean. Shades on my eyes, feeling real supreme. Bassline bumping like you're living a dream.
Sawadee ka! Welcome Mocktail Mixologists to my dry mixology channel. Now that school's done, I'm thrilled to bring you even more incredible mocktail creations. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe now and click the bell icon so that you won't miss any mocktail concoctions that come your way. For today guys, we're kicking off our Thai mocktail series. Perfect for impressing even the most seasoned drinkers or for anyone who loves amazing flavor without the alcohol. This drink is definitely for you. And speaking of things that nourish and inspire us, our recent trip to Thailand truly broadened my culinary knowledge. We explored bustling street food scenes and discovered incredible, unique ingredients like Kaffir lime, Galangal, coconut milk, and lemongrass. Now, get ready for a taste of that adventure as we dive into clips from our trip, showcasing those beautiful street foods, vibrant flavors, and truly unique ingredients. Alright, inspired by those incredible Thai experiences, today's mocktail concoction is the Chao Phraya Charm. It's a drink that perfectly captures that spirit. A sweet, zesty, aromatic, and absolutely delicious blend that everyone loves. In fact, you might even find it's better than a cosmopolitan, even without the alcohol. You're truly going to love this one. Here are the ingredients to make this mocktail. For the full recipe and substitutions of ingredients are attached in the description of this video. We have lychee fruit, lychee juice, coconut syrup, lime fruit, lime juice, and next, the most important are fresh kaffir lime leaves and its syrup, and galangal paste. For additional garnishes like gold flakes and banana leaves are optional, but it won't be called my authentic Chao Phraya Charm mocktail. If you want like my design, you have to provide all of this. So let's start making our first Thai mocktail. In our blender, add coconut syrup for fragrance and sweetness. Next, you add lime juice, not lemon. You cannot say it is Thai if you use lemon. The star of this mocktail is lychee. It goes well with all Thai elements. To deepen the lychee flavor, let's add lychee juice. To balance the sweetness and give more of that lime flavor, we will add fresh lime slices. I will add kaffir lime leaves that had been submerged in its syrup to have that aromatic flavor. We will add kaffir lime syrup to deepen the flavor. Of course, this is homemade style. We will add water to blend it well and make that good viscosity texture of the drink. The last ingredient for a little bit kick is galangal. Thai people do not use ginger. Now, we're done, and let's cover the blender and blitz it up, mixologist! Wow! Look how it goes! Turn off the blender and let's see how it tastes before you serve it to anyone or for yourself. Of course, what kind of person likes a drink that tastes horrible, like too bland, too sour, or too bitter? We have to strain it in a fine mesh so that we don't taste those undesirable things like pulps, pits, skins, and so on. To strain well, you can use a coffee filter. Mocktails aren't just simple drinks. They're crafted with a lot of time, effort, and care to make a good one. I went to the refrigerator to get my chilled glasses. We will do the straight-up method in mixology, where you will mix the liquid and the ice together and then later strain it and serve it without ice, but it has to be cold. We do not melt the ice, but what we do is we want it to be cold. When it is cold, that's the time that you can serve it. That's why we chill the glasses in the freezer so that it would maintain the cold temperature of the liquid. Now let's pour our drink to the chilled martini glass. No need to strain because we already strained it earlier. Squeeze the lime peels so that it releases its essential oils. For the garnishes, let's garnish it with lychee. Garnish it with fresh Kaffir lime leaves. It's better to add gold flakes to give that class touch. It looks beautiful, a one-of-a-kind mocktail. I present to you our first Thai mocktail series, the Chao Phraya Charm, and let's turn up the music!